Hi, this is Balram. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll explain some shortcuts where you can use them and work you can utilize in your office or in your system for quick and smart work. Okay, so first I'll start one first first function, add and remove filter. You see how I am using. Okay, okay. Inside this area, if you press Ctrl Shift L, you'll get filter here. Again, if you press Ctrl Shift L, it will go. So easily you can use Ctrl Shift L. So I can filter here whatever I want. Okay. Okay, the first one is done. Next, we'll go add table. You want to add table, so press Ctrl T. Here your table will start. Okay. In this way also you can filter out which one you want. Either you want a descending or ascending or any of the value you can select. Okay. Press C. It will remove filter inside. If you want anything you can select here. So this is small data I am taking to show you. So you can add anything, large amount of data to utilize. Okay. So I'll remove filter here. Next, move end of the data in the column. Suppose you want from here you have 100 data in a column. You want to go end means then you press Ctrl down arrow, it will go there. I'll add some more data for you for the reference. Okay, it will be easy to understand. You want to go end of this column, I'll press Ctrl L, Ctrl down arrow. I want to go right side of end of the right side this row, I'll press Ctrl right arrow. I want to go up, I'll press Ctrl up arrow. So it will go and top of that. If you want to go button, press Ctrl down. You want to go left or starting of the point of the row, you press Ctrl left arrow. I'll show the live keyboard. Okay, you can mark what are the keys I am using. Okay, Ctrl up arrow. Next, This is done, this is done, this is done. Selection of area. You want to select, press shift button, then right arrow, I am using down arrow. You want to end till the last, press control shift down arrow, it will select until the last cell. Okay, similarly press control shift right arrow, it will select until that last date of that area. Okay, this is done. Format cell. You want to change some format in this area, then you can press control 1, so that format window will come. From here, suppose you want to make your currency or number or something you want to change, you can say I will go for currency. I have here dollar value. Okay, I will go hours, dollar is available, India currency is there. Okay, so currency symbol is added. Okay, so in this way you can format this. Sorry, I added to the wrong class 1, so I will add to the suppose you want to change any currency. See, I have enter here the class. Suppose money I will take. I will take his fees. Okay, here I want to change currency. So what I'll do, I'll press control 1. Control 1, then I want to change currency. I'll go to currency. Okay, so I'll choose our Indian rupee. So this is one, I'll select. And when I press that OK, the currency will change here. Okay, auto sum means suppose you want to calculate how many amount is there. So instead of open calculator or press this 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 48. So in this way it will take time and will consume more time. So what I'll do, I'll come down, I'll press alt plus equal. So automatic it will take from the beginning. Okay, so in this way easily you can find out the sum of the value of the in a row or column or wherever you want. Suppose you want limited number, you can press like this, press alt plus this one, you will get value. Next we'll go paste a value without. Suppose you have here, suppose I have, see, if you click inside, some functions are there. So if I'll copy normal, I'll paste here. Okay, here also coming. Suppose some formula is there, some 1 plus 2 or else some this plus this 6. I'll copy, I'll paste here value is not coming. you want this value here, then copy, then press this shortcut Alt ESV. Alt, I'll press Alt S, then sorry, I copied. I'll press what, Alt ESV, Alt ESV. So this value window coming, so press OK, the value is came. Or else one more way, copy here, press right click mouse or in keyboard, then click on value, you will get value here. Okay. Next, the new line in a cell. Suppose you want to add some points RAM. If you press enter, it's coming to the next cell. But you want to add anything in that cell, then press F2, then press what is the shortcut? New cell, Control Alt plus enter. So one more line will create here. I can add Syam, I can add Dam. So whatever, how many wants you can add inside. So once you add your comment or whatever notes, press Alt enter. So one more line will create. Okay, so all the data I am able to add inside the one cell. Okay, if you are not pressing that, if you type something enter, then it will go to next cell. But you want to add inside of that particular cell, then you have to press Alt enter. Come to end of that cell, press Alt enter, so we can add like that. So in this way you can add multiple comments, multiple items in a cell. Okay, next, add a row or column. Suppose here you have data here, if something you have missed out, you want to add something, then select, for selecting this row, press Ctrl space bar, it will select enter row, then you can press Ctrl plus, so it's adding one more row in between. You want to add one more column here, Ctrl shift press, then Ctrl plus, so one more column is adding. So adding a row, first select the row first, select the row, then press Ctrl plus. If you want to add one more column, then select first column, then press Ctrl plus, so it will add one more column. Okay. Okay, then you want to you have prepared some table, you want to add the chart, then you can select here any cell of the table, press Ctrl A, selected. Okay, selected. You want to add chart, means what I have to do, Alt, insert a chart, Alt you press, I'll press Alt plus F1, so instantly you'll get a chart. Okay, so this chart here we can rename whatever you want, school chart. Like that you can rename. Okay, in this way, in this again you can add the numbers also. Here click on that. Okay, add data label, so here numbers is coming. Okay, this is one example. So chart is over. Flash fill, what is flash fill? Suppose, see, I'll I'll show here. ABC one member name, BCD example I am taking. Okay, I'll do here ABC at, I'll add the mail. Okay, suppose I'll press Ctrl plus E, automatically system will take what are the last things I have added. So the last thing, everything automatically system will fill out. So if you want to add something unique things, then you can press type it and press Ctrl A. The system automatically actually will take automatically the last things. Okay, I'll show one more examples. I'll pull out the last digit from here. I just first I enter the 3, then if I press Ctrl E, so automatically it's taking the last digit of this value 6. Okay, suppose I want to take middle. Okay, this I'll take 5 4 5 6. I'll enter 2, then I'll press Ctrl E. See, from this taking 5, from here taking 6. Okay, so in this way you can use Ctrl E for autofill. This I have taken select entire row. For entire row, what will do? Shift plus spacebar. Shift plus spacebar, selecting all the row. You want this column. Okay, select anywhere. Press Ctrl space. It will select entire column. Okay. So I have shown all the function keys. I hope it will be useful for you in your office or in your system. So please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, and press the bell icon to get the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.